Wait, don't scroll. You're here for a reason. Maybe you want to improve your English. Maybe you love powerful stories. Or maybe you're looking for a new way to learn, a way that feels natural, exciting, and unforgettable. Welcome to English Bridge. And today I'm going to show you why this channel might change the way you learn forever. Learning English doesn't have to be boring, complicated, or stressful. Here we do things differently. On this channel, you learn English through storytelling, stories that shaped civilizations, stories of courage, destiny, and humanity, stories that stay with you long after the video ends. And everything here is presented in a unique way. Each video appears in text on the screen with the words changing and moving moment by moment, helping you read, listen, and understand at the same time. It's English learning made simple, visual, and powerful. From historic battles like Badr, to the lives of great leaders who shaped history, to the people who changed the world with a single decision, English Bridge brings you stories that matter. Stories that teach you English while expanding your knowledge and imagination. Every lesson is hidden inside a powerful narrative so you learn naturally without feeling like you're studying. Most channels teach English with grammar charts or difficult explanations, but English Bridge teaches through emotion, imagination, and real events. That's what makes this channel unique. The language is simplified for all levels. The storytelling is clear and immersive. The vocabulary becomes easier to remember because you see it written on the screen at the exact moment you hear it. Short videos give you quick lessons. Longer videos take you deep into history and human experience. You don't just watch, you experience the story. And what you experience, you remember. On English Bridge, you'll discover real historical journeys, inspirational moments, and unforgettable characters, all presented in clean, readable text on the screen, synchronized with a smooth narration. You'll learn vocabulary you can use in daily life, improve your listening, and build your confidence in English. Every video is crafted to help you grow, step by step, story by story. But this channel is more than just storytelling. It's a community, a place where people from all around the world come together to learn, improve, and share their thoughts. Your comments, your ideas, and your suggestions help shape future videos. Here, your voice truly matters. And this is only the beginning. Bigger stories are coming, new series, deeper lessons, more history, more unforgettable moments from leaders, thinkers, innovators, and remarkable people who changed the world. Every week brings new videos, new adventures, and new opportunities to grow your English in the most natural way possible. So if you're ready to learn English through powerful, cinematic storytelling, if you're ready to improve your vocabulary, listening, and understanding while enjoying every moment, and if you want to join a community built on curiosity, learning, and inspiration, then hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and start this journey with us. Welcome to English Bridge, where stories teach, where history speaks, and where English becomes a bridge to the world.